So now have a look on page number 43. Once again, welcome. We are going to start our new topic in chapter number 7, the equatorial region. Okay, on page number 43, that you will all have multiple choice question that we have discussed. The official language of the Democratic Republic Congo is the French language, and in the examination that I am going to ask, suppose not 100%, not 50%, suppose I would ask the question, what is the official language of the DRC? Then answer is French. But suppose I would ask the question, I will twist the question, what is the official language of the military of DRC? Whenever the word military, the official language is Lingala. And whenever the official language of the DRC, it is the French. Okay, now economy. Now have a look on page number 43. Okay, the country has rich natural deposits of minerals and is the leading producer of industrial diamonds. It also produces about half of the world's cobalt. Just underline, half of the world. Okay, cobalt, it is the mineral only produced by DRC. Produced by only DRC, Democratic Republic of the Congo. In examination, okay, will be there. Cobalt produced by the DRC. 50%, more than 50% produced by the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Other minerals included copper, gold, silver, zinc. Which are the other? I am going to show you, my dear students, so you will understand for 1 mark, 2 mark for the examination. Okay. Industry, then minerals are more in DRC. Okay, I have done the underline, and according to that you have to underline. See now, just underline from here, start from here and up to here, dear students. Underline it now. I hope that you are able to see. So you will better understand what we are going to discuss in our upcoming time. I hope that you have done. Okay. So cobalt, it is the mineral. Okay. And apart from them, other minerals, which are the other minerals, included copper, gold, silver, zinc, manganese, tin, germanium, uranium, radium, iron ore, coal and bauxite also produced by DRC, Democratic Republic of the Congo, that are found. These are the various precious minerals are found in this country, in DRC, in Democratic Republic of Congo. In 1 mark as well as 2 marks. Okay. So first one was cobalt, produced half of the, more than the 50% produced by only DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo. In apart other side, which are the other minerals are there included that are found from the DRC? It is the copper, gold, silver, zinc, manganese, tin, bauxite, coal, iron ore, radium, uranium, germanium. So these are the various other minerals are found from Democratic Republic of Congo. So right now in India, most of the people depend on, engage in the agriculture, cattle rearing, agriculture. 60 to 70%, 65% people engage in the agriculture activity, cultivating different crops. Okay, they are engaged in the cattle rearing. In the same way, in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, my dear students, people engaged in mining is the chief industry. Mining means to find out the different minerals, stones from the deep inside of the earth. They are going to dig it from the deep inside, and they are going to take out the various precious extraordinary minerals from the upper layer of the earth. Okay, and the mining, and you have seen it. If you have seen the movie KGF, okay, the mine are there, gold mine. It is very far from the city. It is in the deep area, like desert area, and they have to dig, they have to work inside of the earth more than 100 feet, 200 feet, and to work to take out the coal, that iron ore, silver, gold, manganese, steel, germanium, uranium, mining. Most of the public, so more than the 50% people engage in the agriculture in India, but in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, more than 50% are engaged in the mining activity, working in different mines of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. So this is the main industry, So other industry included cement, paper, chemical, petroleum, soap, and textile industry are flourished in Democratic Republic of Congo. These are the other, okay, industries are flourished apart from cobalt and other minerals. Cement factories are there, paper industries, then chemical, petroleum, soap, and textile. Okay. Now, if possible, that I am going to show some of the pictures, so you are able to see what actually that we are going to discuss. Okay. So you will understand. Now, the various minerals, it is there on your screen. Okay. It will soon appear on your screen. Now it is visible on your screen that, okay, Democratic Republic of the Congo. Here on your screen right now. Congo crude oil export by destination, crude oil that we have just discussed. Then these are the oil factories. Now I am going to show the different types, okay, of different minerals, mining. Okay, here on your screen right now. Economic status, natural resources, so diamond, copper, crude oil, gold, cobalt. Okay, here you can see it. They are engaged in the most of the mining industries. Mine are there on your screen right now. Okay, it is written here. Mine, it is there. And how they are working in different mines. See here the pictures of mine industry. So they are engaged in these activities. So various types, you can see such kind of pictures that you have seen in some of the Hollywood and Bollywood movies. So they are working in this mine. You can see it here also. Okay, how they are working here. Another factory, another mine. So they are working in this deep inside of the mountain. On your screen, you are able to see that. Working hard in these mine factories. Okay, this is the economy. So, economy that we are discussing right now. Okay, various types of minerals are found, and main is the cobalt. Half of the cobalt produced in DRC. Okay, I hope that you are getting what we are discussing. 18 students are here right now. Very good number. Okay, good. Every day, just like that, please be online and try to attend everything. Okay. Now I would like to question. I ask question to Hardik Patel. Hardik, please unmute your sound, please, beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which are the minerals are found in DRC?
Copper, gold, silver, zinc, manganese,
Manganese.
manganese, tin, germanium, uranium, radium, iron ore, coal, and bauxite.
Very good. Iron ore, bauxite. Second question that I am going to ask to Thakkar Divansi. Thakkar Divansi.
Yes, sir.
Which is the main activity of DRC? Activity that we have just discussed. That I have shown you some of the pictures of it. Main activity it is there. Which is the main industry of Democratic Republic of the Congo? Who will explain? Just raise your hand. I am going to ask them a question. Who will give me the answer? Okay. Speak. Chief main industry.
Yes, sir.
Yes, speak.
Chief, sir, where that?
It is there, just we have discussed. See here.
Yes, yes.
Got it?
Mining is the
Very good.
yes. Mining is the chief industry. Other industry included cement, paper, chemical, petroleum, soap, and textiles.
Very good. So, and which are the other industries are there? Who will give me the answer? Which are the other industry are flourished apart from cobalt, apart from mining? Which are the other industries are there? Who will explain? Who will explain? Yes, very good. Nandita, which are the other industries are flourished in DRC?
Other industries are cement, paper, chemical, petroleum, soap, and textiles.
Very good, very good. Okay, very nice. Again, I am going to, okay, so very good answer that you have given. Okay, thank you so much.